Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can save a pin on Pinterest. This is basically the most common thing that you will do on app or on your PC when you're scrolling through the Pinterest, and how to save a pin. As you can see, this is my tab with all the recommendations for me on the account I just created. First of all, we have to pick, let's go Assassin's Creed. As you can see, there's a couple of options, and there's this save. You want to press save and save to profile. You can visit the page and so on and so on. Yeah, a couple of pop-ups. And as you can see, there's a lot of pins you can save. But that's basically it, guys. When you like something, you just press save and it will show in your Pinterest like this. Whoop. It's very easy. Well, once again, thanks for watching and see you on the next